Imagine two people. They have the same job, the same salary, the same dreams. Every single day, both of them have an extra $4 to spend. One person spends it on coffee, snacks, or small impulse purchases. The other invests that same $4. At first, their lives look exactly the same. Nothing changes. A week passes, then a month. Even after a year, it still doesn't seem like that tiny decision matters. Most people would probably laugh and say, it's only $4. But what if that tiny habit quietly changed your financial future? Let's call them Alex and Jordan. Alex spends $4 every day without thinking much about it. Jordan is not richer. Jordan doesn't earn a higher salary. The only difference is that Jordan chooses to invest those same $4 instead. That's about $120 every month. Not a huge amount. In fact, many people spend more than that without even noticing. But here's what makes investing different. Money doesn't just grow. The returns your investments earn can also start earning returns. That's called compound growth. For this example, let's assume Jordan earns an average annual return of 8% over the long term. That's only an assumption. Real investment. Returns can be higher or lower, and they are never guaranteed. Now, imagine repeating that same habit, not for 1 year, but for decades. At first, most of the money comes from Jordan's own contributions. But slowly, the investment itself starts doing more of the work. After 10 years, the progress is noticeable. After 20 years, the gap becomes much larger. After 30 years, compound growth begins accelerating. And after 40 years, Jordan has invested about $1,584 of personal money. With an average annual return of 8%, that investment could grow to well over $35,000. Not because Jordan found the perfect stock, not because Jordan got lucky, but because Jordan stayed consistent. Meanwhile, Alex enjoyed thousands of small purchases over those same 40 years. Neither choice is automatically right or wrong, but each choice creates a very different financial future. The biggest lesson isn't about $4. It's about consistency. Most people wait until they have more money before they start investing. But building wealth is often less about how much you start with and more about how long you stay invested. Time is one of the most powerful assets an investor can have. So here's a question. What's one small daily expense you could invest instead? Tell us in the comments, and don't miss the next episode. Why time is more valuable than money.